All right, titanium beast. So that is what we're gonna try out next. You see it's 25 shots, kind of like the little character it's got there, like a titanium tiger, very cool. The performance is red-tailed green, red, blue peony with crackling. Ooh. You see the top, don't have to worry about cutting it open. You can see 25 shots. You got 1/2-inch tubes. Of course, your warning. And you see it's, let it focus a bit. Panda Fireworks, which is Winda. Alright, let's go give this a try out. See you in a bit. Titanium beast. That's not bad for a 200-gram cake. That was really good for a 200-gram cake. What's up, PYRO Nation? It's your boy Rob here. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have a second, and you're not a subscriber, click on that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Like the video. It always helps out, get other people to see these videos. And number 3, please click on the surprise box, the question mark. Thank you. Have a nice day.